Hello everyone, class 7. This is Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class, we will discuss over here about the chapter number 18, that is wastewater story. So before going to the wastewater, we have to know about that the water. Why we said that the water is a lifeline, our lifeline. Why? Because the water is a very precious and it is a very important for the survival of all living being present on the earth. It can be found in the all aspect of life, that is very important. So the water must be, you have seen, used in every sector of life in case of our domestic uses, industrial uses, economic, commercial uses, whatever it is, in case of agricultural. So the most important water, that is a drinking water. Water in our society, it can be daily uses, or it has the uses in daily life activities like bathing, cleaning the clothes, for cleaning the toilets, for cleaning the houses, and it can also be used for many purposes in case of societies, schools, premises, the industries and companies, factories, whatever it is, in public places as well. So these water has to be consumed. It is a pure water or it is a water that can be consumed. But in case of the water that contain oil or some of the impurities like the leathers, or which can contain the leather, amount of a leather, might be some contents of the blackish water and grayish water. So these water are what actually they can be a result of being unused and wastage of a water. That is called the contamination of a water. So basically we have to move on to the, what we can say, the sewage or the water what we have taken, it is called as our lifeline. Water, our lifeline. So in that cases we can say water is a very important. This can be found in all the aspects of our life through the different resources, like from the surface water, that we can obtain the water from the sea, ocean, river, etc. And it can also be obtained by the underground, that means the underground water. The underground water or the sea water, the river water, these are the different means of the water that can be completed our fulfillness in our society or in our life activities. So water is a very important and can have the most survival, or it can be most important survival of all living being. Without it, the most of the activity could not be proceeded. In different manner we can say it has the very vast uses and useful uses. Useful, that means a very important uses. So in that segment we can say that it is a part of our life. Without it we cannot be able to survive on the earth. Why? Because it is called as, the water is called our lifeline. So in that particular sense we can say it is not just a need, but it is a life of the all living being present on the earth. And this, without this could not be the plant, human being, animals, and man can be survived, the human being can survive. So there are the different criteria on which the water is get fitted, or it can be consumed or not, and due to which there is a numerous or a huge amount of water that cannot be used, but it can be wastage. How it can be wasted? It can be wasted in different manners or different ways by the different sectors or the different institutions, as well as from the different sources. What are these sources are called actually? These are called as a commercial, industrial, agricultural, domestic, different means. But before going to that one, we have to conclude about the sewage and its sources. So what do you mean by the sewage? So how we can say it is a sewage? What is the form of our main uses of the we can say the different means of a water or the different source of a water when the water seeps down or sink into the sink, showers, toilet. There are the different manners that can be uh, goes down to the through the drain, that is called as a sewage. Whatever the water we can see from the different sources, like from the houses in the form of a drainage, or in the form of sinks, or in the form of showers, etc. Different means of water can be get collected over there. That one is called as a sewage. What we can say the different sources. This may be the different sources. Sewage actually what? Wherever the wastewater is getting used, it is the wastewater that can be highly polluted. So it must be treated as a pollutant water. Or you can say the different type of impurities, or might be the some other criteria, or might be the some contamination takes place while there is a sewage can be found. So in the other sense we can say sewage is an other sources of water that can contain a lot of a pollutant to it. So it is another form of a water that can contaminated by the different means of a pollutant. So it is the source in which different type of unused or wastage can be get mixes with the water, and it can be collected over their particular place. If it is collected and it can be recycled, then it can be also used as a pure or pure water in our different life sectors. So in the other sense we can say what are the different means or criteria by which these sources can be produces, or you can say the sewage can produces. What are the different form of a sewage? So we will discuss over here different forms of sewage, like domestic sewage. What are the domestic sewage? We know there is a number of unused and waste material are produces in our houses. So this can be another form of a sewage. How this can be uses? This can what are the different means, or what are the different material that can be contaminated the water that could be acted as a sewage water. So here we have to say, in case of a domestic, you know very well, the fruits, peels of fruits, or peels of vegetables, and raw materials, grains, rags of cloth, the kitchens, material, or rags of cloths. These are the different means through which the contamination takes place. Next one is domestic sewage contain what? Actually these more type of a substance or the material, like it can contain anything that can mount the that can be decreases or damages the drainage system as well. What are these actually? These are the soaps. Most importantly we can say it is a soap that can play a very important role. Soap, bits of food, that is a granary, bits of food we can say, hair, human excreta, hair, human excreta, that is excretory material, excreta. It can also create a number of pollutant, or you can say it can be form toothpaste, and the detergents. These are the different forms of the some domestic wastage that can contribute to the sewage. Next, we will discuss about we will discuss which type of a sewage. It is a commercial waste. Commercial waste. What are these commercial waste contain? These commercial waste contains about what they can be contained. They can be contained plastics, glass, chemicals, plastic, glass, chemicals. I'm sorry, it is a commercial waste. So we can say the wastage from it is a commercial waste. So we can say the wastage from the schools, restaurants, hotels, the institutions. There are the different type of mean offices, market, public places, or restaurant, hospitals, hotels, offices, schools, railway station, bus station. There are the different means by which there is a contamination takes place, construction sites. These are called as a commercial wastage. The wastage which can be produced from schools, offices, restaurant, public places, hotels, the bus station, railway stations. For these wastage which can be produced from this place are called as a commercial waste. Now next, that is what actually this one is called the agricultural waste. Agricultural waste. These agricultural waste, what we are doing to explain about. These agricultural waste includes what about? This can be include the liquid wastage in the form of liquid wastage in the form of ocean, river, seas, lake, pond, etc. There are the different numbers of the products that can be contaminated or that can be held as a agricultural waste, like pesticides, insecticides, herbicides, different types of fungicides, insecticide, herbicide, different type of these materials are included. Sometime even about that the animal waste that can be acted as a agricultural waste. This can also include or this can also enhance the amount of the waste material, and in that sense we can say there is a agricultural substances or agricultural uses material that can already be used, that is acted as what? The agricultural waste. Next one is what actually? This is called as industrial waste. Industrial sewage. Industrial sewage. What are the industrial sewage includes? The industrial sewage include is about the chemical used, chemical, plastics, the chemical, plastics, some of the petrols, other liquids, harmful chemicals, these are the extra or other forms. The oil, plastic, chemicals, harmful chemicals, the refinery, the wastage from the refineries, these are the different means of the wastage which can be derived from industries. Next one is what actually composition of wastage or sewage. Composition of sewage. Composition of sewage. So these compositions are what actually? These are organic substances. Next one is inorganic substances, organic substances, inorganic substances, some of the bacteria and nutrients and others or other microbes. Here we can say nutrient, and this one is bacteria. So these are the form by which the sewage can be composed. Later on we will discuss